Okay, so we've come back in and we're going to place a trade. So remember, we need to be on the correct symbol. So let's click the correct symbol. We need to be on the correct time frame. That's 1 minute. And you can see we've got a demo account here. And you can see we're set £1,000 pounds of equity. So what we're going to do here is just place a trade. Now, just for purposes of this, just going to have it 0.01, and we are going to place a buy. So buy is blue, sell is red. Right, so here we go. Right, we're in. Now, obviously, when we move in, we're just going to be slightly under for the spread. Now, when we highlight the protect position, i.e. the blue, which is the contract position, we have SL and TP. SL stands for stop loss, so we're going to move that down there by dragging it and clicking it. And then we're going to click TP to set our target. And we're going to drag it up. Now, you can see there, order is placed. So we've got a stop loss order, and we've also got a target order. Now, let's see what happens. Right, we are in profit by 3 cents. We're going to close that out. Right, and then we're going to check in our history. We're going to go to here, and we're going to look at account history. And, ooh, it moved against us. So, we actually lost 1 cent. Oh well, never mind. So, obviously, this is the notifications as to the history as to what's happened. And then we have the account history. And we have the orders. Now, obviously, if we were to sell, which we're just going to quickly place a sell there, and then literally you can see it's in red here, and obviously we've got a little bit of a spread there, and we can see then what happens. Now, what you can do is if you come down to here and you want to edit your position, you can click here. Right, you can see there you're opening profit and loss. Now we're just literally pressing the button to place the trade just to do the testing here. So don't worry about that. It says we're 6 cents in loss. Now, protect position is what we're going to click. And then you can see here we can have a take profit and stop loss. Now you can use these and then manually enter them in. Right, so obviously if we were to say, for instance, do 1,000 and then put in 3,000 there, and we're going to modify that, then you can see that it's put these stops on. Now you can drag these to wherever you want them on the screen, right, and we're just going to do that. So you can drag them like that. I find dragging and moving the trade is the easiest. Now, as that is in profit, what we can do is then trail that along and move that. And then obviously, now we're in profit 15 cents. Now we're making big money. Now, at any time you can close that out. So you can do it by X there or X there. Right, so here we're just going to do this. What I tend to do is hover over the stop loss and bring it up. So I'm just going to bring it up, right? And it's let me modify that, so then you can see that you've got a stop loss in there. Now, if it goes against you, then obviously you can then literally, it'll automatically get you out. Now, as you can see, it's actually we're actually winning here. So we're 30 cents up. Now, I am going to drag that down. Right, he says, here we go. And I'm going to do that. Right, so now if that goes against us, boom, you heard it, we're out. Just like that. Right, let's go and see our profits. Right, let's have a look what we've got. So, account history. Oh my goodness me, we've made 37 cents. Wow. Right, so you can see there, that is the easiest way to trade using Vantage. Use ProTrader. Drag and drop your stops, drag and drop your targets. Always have a target, always have a stop loss. And that... Have we got any more videos to show you? Because we've showed you the history, we've showed you the stops and starts, stops and targets. That is it. That concludes this mini series. So you now know how to place a trade from screen share in Vantage using ProTrader.